Hey guys, here I am again, Barry with Barry's 8-track and classic car radio repair. And this time we're demonstrating an AM-FM 8-track out of a 1977 Mustang. This comes from Leon in Colorado Springs, Colorado. And Leon's requested just the basic internal conversion to increase the output power, to restore the FM stereo light, and to get the 8-track working fully functionally again. So let's go ahead and test it out. I've got it set to AM at the moment, to the one strong station I get, so we can demonstrate the balance and fader functions. So let's go ahead and crank it up.
Last week, the Virginia High School League said no.
Okay, now I'm going to activate our virtual front rear fader. I never reused the original fader control because they have a limited lifespan and a lot of them don't work anymore. So to guard against that failing in the future, I use the virtual balance and fader function. We're going to demonstrate that right now. I'm going to turn my toe control to roughly the center position, and then I'm going to give it 2 quick turns to the right to activate the front rear fader. Let's try it.
Play in girls volleyball.
Fader adjust.
Okay.
Track.
So now.
Yeah, you said last week that you called for an investigation of 5 Northern Virginia schools districts for allowing boys and girls bathrooms and locker rooms in violation of Title IX.
Front.
Because now with Title IX, there was a Joe Biden version of Title IX, and now is there a Donald Trump version of Title IX?
Well, Title IX is Title IX.
Fader set. Okay, now we're going to do the left-right balance. Same procedure, except we turn our control twice to the left.
Saying instead of sex, we're gonna destroy the idea of biological
balance adjust.
Identity. Okay. Well, that was enjoined in 27 states.
All the way right.
The Supreme Court refused to stay the injunction. And as a result of that, we go back to the old Title IX rules, which are very basic, very simple. Sex means
balance
set.
Male. So
okay, let's move over to FM, and I have all 5 presets. This is stations in my area for a quick test.
Gender expansive or trans.
Okay, now we're on FM.
We can get so everything. I love it. Quality of life and ensuring your preferred method for handling investment.
Boy, done.
Your older favorite.
Okay, let's try the 8-track.
Conveniently on the same radio.
Neil Sedaka. That's a defect of the tape. There we go.
Break it apart, laughing when it's broken.
Okay, we're coming up on a track change. Automatic track change, so we'll just let it change track. There's a track change.
But I know. My life was down, 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 right up to each little sheep that keeps me asleep. That I held you tight, so steady again. No one stands, Sonny, please believe me. So steady again.
Alrighty. Pull the tape out, radio comes back. Let's make sure the dial light comes on and off. And yes, it does in response to my command. So we're good to go, and I'm ready to get on to the next job. I'm Barry with Barry's 8-track and classic car radio repair. To reach me for service, please visit the website that's in the description below, and please download and print the work order off the home page of that website before calling me with a bunch of questions, because the work order has all my options, all my prices, and also my options for turnaround time. It's going to save us both about 15 minutes on the phone with each new customer, which keeps me on the bench where the work gets done. I don't get any work done on the phone. So I'm happy to talk to you, but please do that research first. Thanks so much for watching and listening, and thank you, Leon, for your business all the way from Colorado Springs, Colorado, and we'll see you next time.